Okay, I am out at 212 Bosque. I come in the front door here. We've got some pretty tile work in the entryway here. Right over here to the left is the dining room. I'll video that in a second when I walk through the kitchen. Right here we've got a half bathroom with a pocket door. It's a window. And then we've got a closet here on the left. It's a nice size coat closet. And then this isn't under another closet. I don't see a light. It's under the stairs, which is nice for storage. Looks like they built this shelf in here. Then we walk into the living room. Still tile all throughout the living room space. Gas fireplace over here. So ceiling fan up there, and there is recessed lighting in the ceiling. And then there is room over here. It just leads straight into the kitchen. Room over here for a table. Got a big wine cooler here. Stainless steel appliances. Granite countertops. Look at the bar area where you could put stools. Gas stove. Appliances look pretty new. And then we've got the pantry here. Nice size pantry. And then this leads into the formal dining room. And then I'm gonna come back through here towards the front door. So it makes a circle. I'm gonna go to the master bedroom. So the master is downstairs, the other bedrooms are upstairs. I guess I'll do this first. We've got the laundry room here on the right. So hookups for washer and dryer. And then this leads out into the garage. It's kind of a standard size 2-car garage. You've got some good shelving, storage space out here. Let's see, we've got reverse osmosis, water heater, water softener. That's one of those smaller water heaters on the wall. And this looks like the furnace right here in the middle. Some more storage here. Okay, now we're gonna go to the master bedroom. This is carpeted. There's some stains on the carpet, but a nice master bedroom. Ceiling fan, crown molding. There is no door into the bathroom, so they have this curtain hanging here to separate the bedroom from the bathroom. Got double sinks. The cabinetry looks like, if you can see in the picture, definitely needs to be touched up or painted or something. Maybe you can put, I've done that before, you can put stain to kind of cover up the scuff marks. Anyways, there's a jet tub here. 2 windows. And then it's a little bit different. I've never seen this set up before, but there's the toilet here right next to the shower. So it's a walk-in, it's a large shower. Little seat. some shelving above the toilet. And then we've got a closet, excuse me, right here. There's some built-in shelving here. And on this side. So there's the closet. Okay, I'm gonna head upstairs. And the upstairs is actually, oh, I'm going the wrong way, sorry. I keep thinking the stairway's by the front door. The stairway is right here next to the kitchen. I always had it wrong. This carpet on the stairway is definitely more worn looking, and I don't know if you can tell in the picture. Just worn from walking on the stairs, but maybe it could be shampooed and or replaced, I guess, if you wanted to. Now this is really cool. This window has a beautiful view of the mountains. I really like this view. Really pretty, big, large picture window here. And then we come down this hallway. To the right over here, we've got the 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. This is the first room on the right. It's a really big room. I almost think it's bigger. I think it's bigger than the master, which is downstairs. So I guess you could change it up and put your bedroom up here if you wanted to. We'd have to look at the dimensions, but to me it feels bigger. And it's got a closet. Lots of shelving. Only that one rod to hang clothes, but you could add some more rods. The carpet in here is in better condition than downstairs. We've got across the hall here, we've got the 2nd bedroom. It's a good size room. This carpet is actually, yeah, definitely cleaner than the master. It's in pretty good condition. Then we've got a 3rd bedroom right here. These 2 bedrooms, the windows overlook over, let's see if you can see. So this is the 54 South that you would take, and then you get on Highway 70 to go to base anyway. So it's overlooking the road over there. If you can make out those mountains, that's the Oregon mountains. So the opposite mountain range. The Sacramento mountains are the ones that we were looking out of the picture window. And then this is the closet. It's a good sized closet. There's a ceiling fan in here. Let's see, the carpet. Yeah, the carpet looks good in here. Okay, this is what I really like. It's a really large playroom up here, which I didn't expect. It's a nice long, it's a long rectangular shaped room. 2 ceiling fans, 3 windows. And then we've got the French doors on the other end. Got a little window seat. Yep, those are the Sacramento mountains. They've got all the archways for the door frames. Trying to see, it looks like maybe this has been patched or something. I don't know, we could find out if there was a leak at some point. You can see that. Sorry, I'm gonna spin around here. Hopefully I'm not moving too fast. Sorry guys. Okay, so I'm gonna walk out the French doors. This is a little patio back here that overlooks, like I said, the 2 roads that you take to get to Holloman. The Oregon mountains are over there. White Sands is that direction towards Las Cruces going east. So, but you can see down into the backyard, which is kind of cool. So they've got some furniture out here. I'm gonna stop and we'll do an outside video.